Check this out. We've had this air fryer oven, conventional oven, dehydrator, roaster, broiler, you know, pretty much does it all. I've had this thing for about 2 years now. I love this thing, man. Super easy to use. The knob, it's always, you know, as soon as you come up and turn the knob, boom, it's on. You set it to what you want. You want to bake something? Fine. Choose the temperature. You set the temperature with the dial knob. You set how long you want to do it for with the time. Turn the dial up or down. Once you got your settings locked in, you click this in. Boom, it beeps, lets you know it's preheating. This thing preheats faster than any oven I've ever seen. Within like a minute or less, it'll beep, and it's time to throw in my food. And the cool thing is that timer doesn't start counting until it's ready to go. And ready for this? This is the best part. We have a real small apartment, man. There's not a lot of space in here, so when we're done with this, if we need space here, just turn it up. That's it. Super easy. Love this thing.